in the streets of Calcutta, looking after this leper, it can be contagious. This journalist came and he said, "Mother, why are you cleaning, changing, feeding this leper?" She said, "Son, if I ask you this, I'll give you $1 million and ask you to look after this leper for an hour, you will not do it. Yet us, we do this every single year, and for years we've been doing it for free, voluntarily, and you still don't know why we're doing it." He said, "No, mother, that's why I'm asking." She said, "Son, haven't you heard what the Lord Jesus said? I was sick and you came to me. I was hungry and you fed me. I was naked and you clothed me. I am serving my Lord Jesus, not this leper. In this leper, my Christ dwells. Isn't he created in the image and the likeness of God? My God is the Lord Jesus. Isn't my Lord Jesus worthy of my service for what he has done for me on Calvary? No matter how much I serve him, I am indebted to him forever. I'm serving my Lord. That's why I do it with a big smile, voluntarily, because this is my Jesus, not this Indian leper." And the Indians looked at this woman and they said, "God has come down in the midst of us." Us Indians don't show mercy on our own people, yet this stranger, this woman, stranger, showing mercy on an Indian guy, they followed the Messiah for what she did. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God.